The AH-64 Apache daily maintenance stand supports access to and inspection and maintenance of the AH-64 Apache and other similarly sized aircraft. Manufactured primarily from 6061 and 6063 aluminum, the maintenance stand has 24 of manual height adjustability and removable, self-storing guardrails that utilize Spica's fully captured, tool-free camlock bolting system. Sliders conform to the site of the aircraft, and accordion rails provide fall protection even with sliders fully extended. The staircase easily repositions in a variety of locations, either parallel or perpendicular to the deck. Link bars may be used to connect multiple deck modules together as a system. Impact foam on the leading edge of the platform, as well as under the deck, keeps both personnel and equipment safe. The stand comes complete with a safety rail that spans the engine cowl and wing to provide fall protection for technicians working on and moving across that area. The stand also provides eliminate capsule access to the tail rotor and the cabin area. All these are done to reduce costs, increase productivity, prevent loss, prevent falls, eliminate gaps, and reduce labor.
I'd rather do it the same way we did again. Be safe, that's all. Oh, wait. Person, you're right. I think there's wire clamps.
So Wilbanks, see if you want to look at the package for the evaporator.